Wind gusts of up to 108 kilometers per hour hit Porto Alegre, according to data from the meteorological station of the National Institute of Meteorology. The city was severely affected by the weather phenomenon, which caused significant damage in several parts of the region. In Guaíba, about 100 houses were hit by hail of about 10 centimeters in diameter, leaving residents in shock. The mayor's office declared a state of emergency to help people affected by the weather event. In Barra do Ribeiro, the situation was no different. More than 200 homes were damaged by the strong wind and heavy rain, prompting local authorities to declare a state of emergency in the city. According to the weather forecast, cooler and drier air is expected to enter Rio Grande do Sul from the 19th, which should gradually reduce temperatures until the 21st. Are mobilized to help affected people and assess the damage caused by weather events. Stay tuned for more information.